That's not gonna work. Couldn't charge the car, but I could get an extremely loud car wash. Wait a second. I could have charged the car. Back to the chargers we go. That's the one that fits, but that is also the one that rarely works. With the flicker of the screen, it's working. It's been 3 months since these pumps have been working. That one over there still broke down. All right, sitting here in the trunk of my car, I got something pretty spectacular that is going to help out a lot of Chademo users. Here in Florida, at least in my counties, in the 3 counties that surround me, we have this one Chademo area. This is it. We can go to Walmart, which is 17 miles away, which has an Electrify America, which never works, and they only have one Chademo plug. You drive 17 miles, nothing. You can't use it. Our closest actual working Chademos normally, other than they just got this one working after 3 months, is all the way down in Orlando. It's like 47 miles. And you got Claremont, Florida, which is a different 47 miles in a different direction. Our charging infrastructure here in Sumter County, Florida, Lake County, Florida, Marion County, Florida, is almost non-existent. We are so far behind. Our local governments don't want to do anything. Our state government, our governor of the state, doesn't really want to do anything. So here in Florida, we're really struggling. Now, a lot of you Nissan Leaf owners do have something like this. This is a Tesla charger for the destination chargers. They run about 125 bucks. This one here is made by Electron, and it works amazing. If you could find a Tesla destination charger, like I said, we have the destination chargers. We have one of them at a hotel about 8 miles away, and they won't let us use it unless you're staying at the hotel. So it's nice to have one of these, but you're not always going to be able to use it. What can we do? What can we do? Well, I was scouring YouTube for CCS to Chademo adapters, and I ran across a European gentleman that makes great videos, and he showed that there was a company in China that actually created one. And I said, oh my God, I want that. I need it. So he had a test unit that you sometimes, if like the chargers don't work, you connect your charger to the computer while you're trying to charge, and then you could download firmware that actually makes it work on those chargers. And I go, okay, well, that's a test unit, right? It's not exactly what we're going to get as they start shipping out the normal consumer product. But I still wanted one. I wanted one really bad. So I contacted the company, and while I was waiting for the product to arrive here in the United States, I kept scouring the internet, hoping to find more videos about these type of products. There are none. There was a Brazilian one, I think, the gentleman in Europe, and now me. That's right, I broke down and I got it. And the company, actually, instead of waiting 60 days to ship, because that's when you go to Alibaba, actually, I'll put a link in the description below in case you guys are thinking about getting one of these units. Alibaba said it was going to take 60 days to ship and another 30 days to get to me. No, man, the company is so amazing. They're in constant communication, the company that shipped this, and they expressed it. It got here like in 4 days. 4 days. So I think I might be the only person in North America, from the Panama Canal up through Mexico, the United States, Canada. I might be the only person to have this product at this very moment. This, in this box, is a CCS to Chademo adapter. I didn't have a box knife, so I haven't opened it yet. I got to rip it open still. I did use my key fob, took the key out of the key fob and scratched it down. So let's open this up and see what's inside. This is just going to be an unboxing video. Actually, the Chademo is working over there, so I'm just going to continue charging via Chademo at the moment, because I do got to go to work. I'm a truck driver, and I got to head down to Miami. So when I get back, I'm definitely going to put this thing through its paces, make a couple videos on how it works. I'm going to use numerous chargers. I'm going to drive down to Orlando, use some EV Go's, some Charge Points, some Electrify Americas, some Shell Recharge, some EV Connects, and just see how this works in the United States for our infrastructure. See if it works with all of our different pumps. All right, let's turn this camera down so you can see. Now I got charging cables and everything in my trunk, so don't judge me. It's a mess. The only reason I'm recording in here is it's quite breezy here today in Florida. Ooh, so let's see. Can you guys see that? You probably can. No, oh my gosh. Get over there, you. Look at that. So in the packet, like I said, this does have to be, it looks like they got a card in here, a thumb drive, probably with some software on it I got to upload to the unit. Some cables to connect to my computer so I can get the updates and stuff for the different brands of pumps we have here in the United States. We'll open that later. But this is the meat and potatoes. Oh, it's heavy. Would you look at the size of that? Let's compare it to the Tesla adapter. Where's my Tesla adapter at? Here it is. Let's put the Tesla adapter on it. The Electron. So that's your normal Tesla adapter. Look how much bigger this thing is. It is massive. And it weighs a good chunk. It's not a light unit. So from what I've seen on the videos is this has a built-in lithium battery because it has to click some connectors or something to let the car know that because I think if you use something like this, a normal Chademo thing without some sort of power source, it doesn't flip your 12-volt battery into opening the connectors for you. So this does it by pressing a little power button here. There's a little power button. So you plug it into your car, press that power button, it lights up, and you hook the CCS up to that, and supposedly it's going to work. It does have a locking mechanism that goes into your Chademo, and I'm assuming it doesn't have it here, but the CCS adapter does have a lock on it, so it does have a little lip here. It's not 3D printed. It's a very heavy unit. This is totally solid metal here, the metal lock. So someone can't just come by and trip and pull it out of your car, which is a big concern. There's a lot of power going through these things. Right now, I'm really excited to go through the paperwork and see exactly what I need to do to use this. Where is the... Okay, underneath the bottom here is where you connect your USB Type-C, and then you plug that in and then plug it into your computer for the updates, the software updates. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy. This is a CCS Chademo C200. Now in the United States we have CCS 1, not Type 2 like they do in Europe. Electrical rating is 1000 volts, DC 200 amps. Outdoor use, IPF 54 water resistant. So that's it. Now if you guys want to check out me using it and see how it works here in the United States, give me a couple days to go through all the brochures and everything I need to know to use this. It's not like when you order an Electron product, for a Tesla. This, you could just use because it's oh, this has a Tesla handle lock on it too, and 1772 lock. Electron makes some great products, but this isn't the same type of thing. This is a much more massive beast that is going to take a little bit of learning. But I'm sure once it starts working and once I figure it all out, it's probably it's going to end up being plug and play. We'll see. But if you want to see those videos, make sure to tune in because I'm going to be making them throughout at least the next month, because I'm getting ready to go on a 1,600 mile road trip in the Nissan Leaf using only this. No Chademos, just this, and put it through its paces. So until the next time, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you guys from somewhere down the road. Until then, peace everybody. This is interesting. This is the future, at least for Nissan Leafs.